Hey everyone! Today we're going to take a closer look at one of the most anticipated flagship smartphones this year, the Xiaomi 17. This is a device that represents Xiaomi's latest vision in smartphone innovation, from cutting-edge performance to advanced camera technology and AI-powered features. Everything in this phone is designed to deliver a premium experience. In this video, we'll go through everything in detail: the design, display, performance, camera system, battery, and all the smart features that come with it. So, let's get started. Starting off with the design, the Xiaomi 17 brings a clean, refined, and premium look. The phone features a solid aluminum frame combined with Xiaomi Shield glass on both the front and back, giving it both durability and a sleek finish. The edges are slightly curved, making it comfortable to hold even during extended use. With a thickness of around 8 millimeters and a weight of approximately 190 grams, it feels balanced in the hand, not too heavy, not too light. The camera module is seamlessly integrated into the back design, giving it a modern and minimalist aesthetic. In terms of durability, the Xiaomi 17 comes with high-level water and dust resistance, making it reliable for everyday use in different environments. Overall, the design feels premium, practical, and clearly built for a flagship experience. Moving on to the display, this is one of the standout features of the Xiaomi 17. It comes with a 6.3-inch OLED display that offers a 1.5K resolution, delivering sharp visuals with excellent clarity. Whether you're watching videos, browsing, or gaming, everything looks crisp and detailed. The display supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and animations feel incredibly smooth. What makes it even better is the high brightness level, reaching up to around 3,500 nits. This ensures the screen remains clearly visible even under bright sunlight. It also supports advanced technologies like Dolby Vision and adaptive refresh rate, allowing the display to automatically adjust based on what you're doing, helping save battery while maintaining performance. Colors are vibrant, contrast is deep, and overall, the viewing experience is immersive and premium. Now let's talk about performance, and this is where the Xiaomi 17 really shines. The device is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, built on a 3-nanometer architecture. This means it's not only extremely powerful, but also more efficient in terms of energy usage. For memory, the Xiaomi 17 comes with options of up to 12 GB or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, allowing seamless multitasking and smooth performance across apps. Storage is equally fast, with UFS 4.1 technology and a base capacity of 256 GB, ensuring quick data access and plenty of space for apps, photos, and videos. In real-world usage, everything feels fast and responsive, whether you're gaming, editing videos, or switching between multiple applications. The phone also includes an advanced cooling system, which helps maintain stable performance during heavy use. Overall, this is a device built to handle anything you throw at it. Now, let's move to one of the most important parts, the camera system. The Xiaomi 17 features a powerful triple camera setup, each with a 50-megapixel sensor. The main camera uses a large sensor that captures more light, resulting in better detail, especially in low light conditions. The telephoto lens allows for high-quality zoom, making it easy to capture distant subjects without losing clarity. And the ultra-wide camera is perfect for landscapes, group shots, and creative perspectives. The camera system is enhanced with advanced optics and image processing, delivering natural colors, sharp details, and excellent dynamic range. For video, the Xiaomi 17 supports up to 8K recording, along with advanced stabilization, making it suitable for high-quality content creation. On the front, you get a 50-megapixel selfie camera, which produces sharp and detailed images, ideal for video calls and social media content. Overall, the camera setup is versatile, powerful, and capable of delivering professional-level results. Battery life is another area where the Xiaomi 17 performs exceptionally well. It is equipped with a large 6,330 mAh battery, designed to last throughout the day, even with heavy use. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or using multiple apps, the battery is built to keep up. Charging is equally impressive. The device supports 100-watt fast charging, allowing you to quickly recharge in a short amount of time. It also includes 50-watt wireless charging, as well as reverse wireless charging, so you can charge other devices when needed. This combination of large battery capacity and fast charging ensures you spend less time plugged in and more time using your device. On the software side, the Xiaomi 17 runs on Android 16 with HyperOS 3. The interface is clean, smooth, and optimized for performance. One of the key highlights here is the integration of AI features. You get tools like AI writing assistance, real-time translation, voice recognition, and smart suggestions that adapt to your usage. The system also integrates advanced AI capabilities that improve camera processing, battery optimization, and overall system performance. Everything feels more intuitive, helping you get things done faster and more efficiently. On connectivity, the Xiaomi 17 supports the latest technologies available. It includes 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 6.0, ensuring fast and stable connections. Security is handled by an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor, which is fast and accurate. For audio, the phone features stereo speakers with high-quality output, delivering an immersive sound experience. Additional features like infrared sensor and advanced cooling system further enhance the overall usability of the device. So, that was a complete look at the Xiaomi 17. This device brings together powerful performance, a high-quality display, advanced cameras, and intelligent software features, all in a premium design. Every aspect of the phone feels carefully designed to deliver a complete flagship experience. If you're looking for a smartphone that offers performance, versatility, and modern features in one package, the Xiaomi 17 is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.